So after performing such a long configurations, we are finally about to install SCCM. So go to your SCCM setup folder, and there you can see one splash. It is actually HTML file which will give internal call to SCCM setup. Okay, so execute that. Now after pressing install, it might take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, depending upon your system's speed. Okay, so actual installation window might appear now. Okay, click on next. Now we are going for primary site, so use typical installation option which will install management point, distribution point. Okay, and configure the SQL Server default settings and all. Click on next. Now we don't have money to buy a license, so we are selecting the evaluation edition and clicking on next. Accept the license agreement and click on next. Accept both. Okay, 3 of all. Click on next. Now I have downloaded the required files before only, so I am using the path. Yes, I have this. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Click on next. So it will verify the downloaded files. Okay, now we need to provide site code. Site code can be 3 characters. You can give A0, TS0, something like that. Site name I am giving it as test lab. Okay, we need to install console also, so we are checking that. I don't want to join any program at this time. Click on next, and here you can see the summary informations like SSB port. It will be using 4022. Then database name is CM_AS0. Management point, distribution point. Okay, it is the same for us because we have installed SCCM on the AD server itself, right? So here actually this is not only one, it will give you 3 fail reports, right? Because we haven't installed ADK. Okay, I was knowing this, like I'll be getting this failed error because we have not installed Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit, right? So this all the 3 errors will be resolved by installing ADK. Okay, as of now let's cancel the setup and let's. So ADK is not a role or features to be installed from server manager. It is actually a different setup, okay, that we need to execute. So you cannot find here. You cannot see any ADK or something like that. Okay, so it is available on net to be downloaded for free, so you can go and download it. Okay, so 8.1 ADK. So within that ADK, yes, ADK setup, we need to execute this with admin privileges. Okay, it requires 3 GB, 3.6 GB. Okay, I don't want to join any program. Click on next, accept, and install all. Like make sure you check at least Windows pre-installation and what was the error, USMT and all. Okay, I am installing all the features. Okay, after installation, click on close. Now we can proceed with SCCM setup installation. So go to your SCCM setup folder or execute the splash. Okay, click on install. Okay, click on next. Okay, install and configure. Install configuration management primary side, use typical installation. Click on next. Click on yes. Next. Install an evaluation edition for this product. Click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. Install all three. Okay, click on next. Now select the downloaded files path and browse it, and I'll paste this path over there. Okay, I'll click on next. Now it will verify the downloaded files. Once it is done, we need to provide the site code. Let's give us a TS0 because we are using the site name as a test lab. Okay, install and configuration manager console. Okay, I don't want to join any program at this time. Click on next. Now here you can see the configurations that we have done till now. SQL server, SMS provider is adserver.dc.local. The same is management point, same is distribution point. Okay, click on next. It will check for the prerequisite, as we don't require WSUS, Windows Server Update Services, right now, so we are not installing it. We are skipping the warning, we are ignoring this warning. Okay, now begin installation. Now here it takes lots of time, like it may take about 3 hours to get installed. Yes, in the meantime you can check the log, what is the settings that are getting. Okay, it is verifying the SMS account and all. Okay, you can monitor my elapsed time there, where it is 38 minutes. Now it is installing SMS provider and all. You can see it is almost 2 hours that the setup is getting executed. Okay, so we need to be very patient while installing SCCM setup. You can see the list of things that are getting executed, like installing management point, setting up management point, now installing boot image package. Okay, so two hours is gone. Configuring data application services. Now it is installing console. Okay, creating a program group. Let's check the log. So we have completed the setup. You can close it. Let's see whether we can see the console. Yes, there's the console. Okay, so let's restart the machine once. After restarting, we can check the layout of the console. Okay, so wait till the machine reboots. Now let's log into the machine. Okay, then now we need to check for the console. Let's check by launching it. Okay, it is connected to the site database. Okay, this is the window, SCCM configuration console. The users devices will be listed here. Okay, so right now we have only one device, AD server. So once we run all the discovery checks that I'll show you in the next video. Okay, so all the users, all the devices will be reflected there in users and devices. Okay, software library, application management, applications are created here, packages are created here. Okay, in administration, site configuration, sites, we have one site TSO, that is site code, and test lab is site name, like it's a primary site. Okay, default client setting has been applied by system itself, and this is a distribution point. We don't have any distribution group. Okay, this is the distribution point. Then in monitoring, you can check in graphical user interface, like the site, it is active. Okay,